Okay, so now we are going to talk about how to create a blog using Google Docs. So go to your Google Drive and click on Google Docs. And at the top here, it'll say Start New Document, and you're going to go to the Template Gallery, and you're going to scroll down till you see Personal. And you can choose either the recipe or the pet resume. Pet resume is kind of cute. So once you click on one of those, it gives you a template that breaks things up, gives you a place for pictures, etc. You can put the title, subtitle. It gives you a place to expand on different sections of the text. The length should still be substantial. You will need more pictures, more video, etc. But this at least gives you an idea of what you can do. You will then, once you are finished, share with both me and your other people in your group. So you need to make sure that you get their email addresses and add them to your document. And then they can add in very easily. They can just type their comments right underneath, right? Okay, under your comments. So that makes it very simple, and Google Docs is a great way to collaborate.